The right travel app can, without a doubt, save your well-deserved vacation. You're planning the trip of your dreams, but let me ask you this. Are you forgetting something? The difference between a smooth, stress-free trip and a total disaster could be on your phone right now, if you have the right apps. And stay till the end of the video, because I'll share a secret bonus app that most people have never heard of. And without exaggerating, it can save you from a very uncomfortable situation. Traveling can be exciting, but let's be real. Things can go wrong in an instant, from getting lost in a new city to struggling with language barriers or even missing your flight. That's why in today's video, we're diving into the 10 most important travel apps that can literally save your vacation. These apps are not to be underestimated. Some of these will completely change how you travel, whether you're heading to a big city or some remote island. And like I said, stick around for that bonus app at the end. It's a game changer, and they are all available on both Android and iOS. You've just landed in a foreign country. You don't speak the language, your data plan doesn't work, and you have no idea where your hotel is. Panic sets in. But what if you had the right tools to handle every one of those problems before they even started? That's what we're talking about today. The must-have apps that will save you from travel disasters and make your vacation smoother than you could ever imagine. Let's kick off with our first app. It's one that I bet you've heard of, but I'm going to show you how to use it like a pro. 1. Google Maps. Okay, I know, this one seems basic, but Google Maps is so much more than just directions. Did you know you can download entire maps for offline use? Yep, even if you have no signal, you can still navigate like a local. Just save your destination when you have Wi-Fi, and you're good to go. Another underrated feature, the Explore tab. It can help you find the best restaurants, landmarks, or hidden gems near your location. Perfect when you're wandering in a new city. 2. TripIt. This app is basically your personal assistant. Ever scrambled through your emails looking for your flight info or your hotel confirmation? TripIt grabs all of that for you. You just forward your reservation emails and it organizes everything in one place. Flights, hotels, car rentals, even restaurant bookings. It's like having your own pocket-sized travel agent. 3. Google Translate. Let's talk about something that can be a lifesaver when you're in a country where you don't speak the language. Now, this app isn't just about typing in words. You can actually use your camera to translate signs or menus in real time. Imagine being in Japan, staring at a menu with zero English on it. With a quick scan, Google Translate can save you from accidentally ordering something unusual. 4. XE currency. Another common issue travelers face, trying to figure out the local currency. XE currency is an app that updates real-time exchange rates, so you don't get ripped off at currency exchange booths or spend hours trying to convert in your head. Bonus, it works offline too. Just update the rates before you go, and you'll have the most recent data even when you don't have Wi-Fi. Chapter 5. Skyscanner. Okay, this one's for the budget-conscious travelers out there. Skyscanner is the go-to app for finding the cheapest flights, hotels, and car rentals. What makes it stand out? The Everywhere feature. You can search for flights to everywhere from your home airport, and it will show you the cheapest destinations in the world. Perfect for those spontaneous trips when you just want to go anywhere. 6. Rome to Rio. Ever found yourself in a new city and you have no clue how to get from point A to point B? Rome Rio breaks down every transportation option you have, from planes and trains to buses and ferries. You type in your start and end locations, and boom, it shows you the quickest and cheapest ways to get there, including the time and cost of each. 7. PackPoint. Packing is one of those things that can make or break a trip, especially if you forget something essential. PackPoint helps you create customized packing lists based on where you're going, how long you'll be there, and what activities you've planned. Going to a beach? It'll remind you to pack sunscreen. Traveling in the winter? Don't forget your gloves. It's the best way to avoid that. Oh no, I forgot my charger moment. 8. Maps.me. Now, here's a bit of an underrated one. If you're traveling somewhere remote or where data might be an issue, this app is a lifesaver. Like Google Maps, it lets you download maps offline. But what's even better is the level of detail. Hiking trails, small roads, tiny shops, it's all there. Perfect if you're someone who likes to explore off the beaten path destinations. 9. Hopper. Hopper is a must if you're looking to save money on flights. What makes it different? It predicts prices. Hopper tells you when to book a flight and when to wait because it uses historical data to forecast price trends. You can even set up alerts for specific flights or dates, and the app will notify you when prices drop. It's like having insider knowledge on when to buy your plane tickets. 10. Priority Priority Pass. Finally, let's talk about Priority Pass. If you've ever had a long layover or a delayed flight, you know how rough airport waiting areas can be. Priority Pass gives you access to thousands of airport lounges around the world. No matter which airline or class you're flying, you'll have a place to relax, enjoy free food and drinks, charge your devices, and even take a shower if needed. It's a little slice of luxury that can make those travel delays a lot more bearable. Alright, so now you've got your phone loaded with all these incredible apps, but here's the thing, you've got to actually use them. Imagine yourself breezing through a foreign airport with all your travel details organized in TripIt, ordering food at a local cafe using Google Translate. These apps aren't just useful, they're your travel lifelines. So, whether you're traveling to a nearby city or heading halfway across the globe, these 10 apps are going to make your trip smoother, cheaper, and way less stressful. Trust me, traveling without them just isn't the same. Hopefully, you're still here, because I've got a bonus app for you that is no unnecessary luxury, and that's an understatement. It's called Flush. This app is a lifesaver for anyone who's ever been desperate to find a restroom in an unfamiliar place. Flush shows your public restrooms nearby, no matter where you are, and even lets you know if there's a fee or if you need a key. Whether you're in a busy city or somewhere remote, this app is a lifesaver for those urgent moments on the go. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll never miss any future travel tips. And if you're looking for a dreamy travel destination, you'll definitely find plenty of inspiration here with this video to roam. Don't forget to use the apps. This was Off to Discover. Peace!